Hi guys, welcome back to another video. And today in this video, here I am going to show you that how to install or how to download your Play Store in your device. And now you think that is it possible to uninstall our Play Store? And in some of the device we can uninstall our Play Store in our device. And if you have been outdated in our Play Store, you can update manually by using this method. And without wasting our time, now let's move to the video. And at first you need to open your Chrome browser in your device. And after in the search bar you want to type like this, Play Store APK Pure. And after that you can see more of the websites are here like our APK Pure, and select the first of the website from here. And after that now you can see the APK Pure website interface, and in the below of this APK Pure you can see our Google Play Store, and in the below of this our Google Play Store you can see option download APK, and just tap this download APK from here. And after that you have been entered to the next page, and after that in the next page you can see once again we need to select this download APK from here, and just tap this download APK from here. And now you can see our file has been started downloading, and you can see downloading file, and just wait till it finishes. And our file has been downloaded successfully, and now let's check how to install this application. And at first you need to just tap the downloaded file, and after that you can see a new pop-up message like this Google Play Store, and after that you can see two of the options like this, cancel and install, and just tap this install option from here. And now you can see our Google Play Store has been installed successfully, and now you can see open and more applications. And by using this method you can reinstall your Play Store application in your device within few clicks with this method. And without wasting our time, thanks for watching our video.